everything he's got. I swear, he's history.
I want to meet her.
You got it anytime, any place.
bx23s. Those are heavy. Customer wants street pads. Let's give him street pads. Looks like you'll need 2 boxes if this is you. bx23s. bx23s. 2 boxes. Oh, I need to get some gloves on. So far, so good. All right, we can do this real time. Do some swoops. Probably should put it in the vise. Oh my god. That was enough. Alright. Make sure you V out. Another place where I see people make mistakes here is they V in and then they put the grease fitting facing the wrong way. That actually went relatively pretty easy. Yep, sharp side out. Perfect. And I'll have to grease that. Clean that up. Last minute upgrade. Alright, let's try this again. Perfect. Ooh, what do you say here? Oh, we knew it was gonna be cranky. Alright. See what we're gonna do here. Get that paint out of there. A couple swoops. File so dull that it's only going to take the paint, maybe a sharp edge down. Needs a little more. Stick that. might be getting close. Alright. Sure. Grease fitting. V out. Come on, you gonna fit? Is it gonna fit? Is it one of the ones? Is it one of the ones that don't want to fit? Fit tight. Come on. Oh, there we go. It's gonna be smarter than it. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, make sure you're wearing gloves. It's black grease. Wrong pin pull. The down's got me all messed up. Alright. Just gotta package up these old feet. Grease those pins. Whew. And another one. You got a good look. bx23s. You need 2 boxes. 1 street pad in each box. 2 of 2. 1 of 2. I hope that helps anyone who might be interested. Just for the entertainment alone. This baby's ready to go.